Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 12. This module, we're starting our last big topic for the whole semester, which is formal commands. So, formal commands is what you're using to give instructions to someone, like when you say, wait here, sit here, give me your arm for blood pressure, things like that. But we want to do it in a formal way, which requires special grammar. I'm going to say this, please listen to me. Google Translate does not form the formal commands. If you put in like what you think is the command to Google Translate, it's going to give you the informal command. The informal command is what you would say to your friend, like, get over here, buddy. It's going to give you that version. So please don't use Google Translate. Please follow the formula that's in the learning materials. So this week is going to be tougher. This is one of those topics that is, even if you took like Spanish 1, it's not in Spanish 1. And if you speak Spanish at home, you're probably always using the informal commands. So we really want to make sure we pay attention to the learning materials this time. Like I said, this is not usually a topic that is covered in like the Spanish 1, but in a medical situation, you need to use these all the time to give instructions to the patients. So let me know if you have questions, go through the learning materials, follow the formula that's in the learning materials, and be in touch if you have questions. We also have the information about the final project. Once you get through this module, and like next module is continuing with the formal commands, that's the last topic that has to be on the final project, so you can start with your scripts as soon as you are sure you understand the commands. We have the last discussion board, so there's a couple of readings for that. So this is our last one, just get it done. And we have a homework packet, the speaking assignment with the formal commands, and the quiz. So again, a little interesting week. Keep me posted if you have questions. Y nos vemos pronto. Almost done.